Free traffic works, but there is a myth out there about free traffic. And typically when you start with free traffic, you wind up with stats like this. But if you focus, you can get stats like this. And when you really have a plan, you can get stats and results like this. So I'm going to break down the big myth for you about free traffic, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about what most people never tell you about free traffic. And we're going to do that by covering the 3 traffic sources that I just showed you the stats for, and talk a little bit about the strategy about each one of these free traffic methods. And by the time we get to the end of this video, you're going to know which traffic method is best for you. I'm also going to give you my #1 recommendation for free traffic. So stats like these are what typically happen when someone starts off with free traffic. Here on Medium.com, you can see some of my traffic results. And the simple matter of the fact is I didn't have a real strategy, and you can see in the results. So what is Medium, and what kind of strategy should you have when you decide to use Medium for free traffic? Medium is basically a blogging platform with trending stories where you as a writer can go and generate content around just about anything and get free traffic, because the simple fact of the matter is Google loves Medium. Check this out, Affiliate Marketing without a website. First page, scroll down here, and what you're going to see here on the first page is an article from Medium.com. How to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing. It is ranked on the first page. Take a quick note of the videos on this page, which is a first page result from Google, because these videos are going to be important when we get to one of the recommended free traffic sources. And seeing these videos on the first page is one of the things that most people don't realize, and a lot of people don't tell you about why some traffic methods or free traffic methods are better than others. One of the things you'll need when you start using free traffic is keywords. And to discover keywords, simply come to Google Ads Keyword Planner, click on Discover New Keywords, type in your keyword, click Get Results. At this point, you're not interested about anything else on the page other than the keyword. So don't worry about things like average monthly searches, competition, etc. Simply scroll down through here and look for a keyword that you're trying to rank for example, affiliate marketing for beginners. Take that keyword back to Google and search for it. I'm actually searching for that keyword on the site Medium.com with this key of site: Medium.com, affiliate marketers for beginners. The results are going to only show results from Medium.com. Now, why am I doing this? This is all part of the strategy, and the thing that most people don't tell you is you need to first find a keyword, then you need to go to Medium and you need to see the keywords, and you need to see the articles that are ranking for those keywords all on Medium.com, because the first place that you have to rank for is on Medium.com before you get to the first page of Google. So you want to find the first result and you want to take a look at that article, but you also want to focus in on what people are also asking. Because when you take a look at that first article on Medium that was ranking on Google inside of that Google search on the Medium site, you want to make sure that this article is answering all the questions that people are asking. Now, of course, don't make the article so long that no one will read it, but make sure you put enough information in here that it competes with this article to not only rank on Medium, but also find the first page of Google. Now, step back here with me and think about this. And another thing that most people aren't going to tell you, because they're going to give you things like you can create one piece of content and use it everywhere. Now, while that is true, it doesn't work as easily as that. You cannot take the same article that you write on Medium and just take that and answer the questions on Quora by copying and pasting. Now, you can take the research that you did to create that article on Medium.com to get ranked on Google and go over to Quora, search for that same keyword, find a list of questions here, and pick a question and start answering it. As you can see here, the format is a little bit different, but the idea remains the same: to be helpful in your content and answer real people's questions by giving them information that is helpful on these platforms and then leading them over to wherever you want to take them, which could be the form of an affiliate link, or it could be to your blog or squeeze page to collect an email address. And that's all part of the strategy that you need to understand. And one of the things that you need to actually get before you start creating content is you need to set up everything on the back end and think about what the complete strategy is when you're talking about getting free traffic. Are you trying to take this free traffic and just send it directly to an affiliate offer to earn a commission? Or are you thinking about building an email list? Of course, I talked about that and how important it is here on the channel. And that also leads me to the concept of all free traffic is not equal. And you can see a great example of that by going to YouTube, typing in your keyword, affiliate marketing for beginners, scroll past the ads, take a look at the top videos here, and simply click on one. Take a look at that content and understand how simple it is to take the research that you've done on Medium, moved over to Quora, answered those questions, and now you're providing valuable content in the form of video on YouTube. But scroll down and take note of the strategy inside of the description field. Once you click show more, you're going to be able to see here how they're able to link out to different resources, as well as add a link that takes you to a squeeze page that is there to collect your email address. So we looked at 3 free traffic sources, and now we understand that they're not equal, but in reality, the content that we use can be used equally across all of them. We just have to understand the strategy and the way that each free traffic source is set up to accept our content and the fact of what people are looking for when they arrive to that platform. So for example, in Medium, we're looking for more long-form blog content. In Quora, we're answering questions that people ask, usually in shorter form and a lot more to the point and directly answering the specific question that has been asked. And we're able to link out on those platforms, of course following their rules, but you have to be very careful to make sure you don't fall into the spam category on those sites and have your ability limited to actually link out on those sites when you're using them for free traffic. Of course, on YouTube, you have these same limits and you have to really follow the guidelines, but they are a little more lenient when it comes to linking out to affiliate offers, as well as building an email address by linking out to your squeeze page to collect that email on your squeeze page. And the big myth about free traffic, and the thing that nobody is telling you, is that free traffic is not free. Because your time is not free, and time is the one resource that you can never get back. Of course, if you have more time than you do money, then it only makes sense to use your time to utilize all these free traffic sources, but make sure that you focus and you understand the strategy that you have for that traffic source and put the majority of your time and effort into that one strategy until that strategy starts working for you. And then take your content and start moving it out and adding it to all the other platforms to make sure you're hitting all the places where you can actually get that free traffic to reach as many people in your audience as possible. And to learn more about my #1 recommended free traffic source, go ahead and click on the video you see on the screen right now to discover exactly how simple that traffic source really is. You're going to uncover a few more myths and discover a few more truths when you watch that video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.